How you guys and girls doing today? It's the Fine Ass Man here, y'all. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything from crypto to real estate to stocks, you name it. In this video, we are talking about a very interesting project called Petoverse. Y'all, this released a couple of days ago and it's been doing absolutely fantastic, especially when you look at the market and the way that the market's going down right now. Before we get into that, y'all, if you enjoy this kind of content, please make sure to hit those buttons down below, like that like and that sub button, so that way this video can get out to more people who need to see it. Oh, and one more thing, y'all, if you're interested in some free stuff, I've got a link down below, y'all, a special treat and surprise just for those who watch my videos, y'all. I love y'all and I want to hook y'all up with some stuff, so check that link down below. But now let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so as we can see, Petoverse fair launch, y'all, it was a fair launch, and sometimes when you get into crypto and you start experiencing pink sale and stuff like that and experimenting with stuff, you might not want to mess with fair launches because a lot of projects, they just try to get as much BNB as they can before they just leave or dip, the rug pull, whatever. But this was the exception because, like I said, we always look at that KYC and that audit, right? And this was looking very good. So they raised 5,683 BNB, which is absolutely insane. It was going crazy. As you can see right here, the current rate for 1 BNB was only 73 petos, so it went very far, and it was over 4,300 people who contributed. And as you can see right here, first metaverse project with the auto staking and compounding APY. So every 15 minutes, 96 times a day, they got that fixed APY of over 2 million. But that's not what we're really going to be talking about as much. That is one of the main utilities. But as you can see, they've got super deflationary, huge burn in place. They're going to have an MMORPG adventure, Petoverse game coming out, P2E NFT, Peto Ads 360 VR. We'll check that out on the website in a few minutes. And a dual currency, no team tokens, double security, no access to auto liquidity in Inferno wallet, liquidity locked for over 10 years. And as you can see, 2032 down here, double KYC with rug doc and pink sale, and I think rug free coins as well, but we'll take a look on their website. And massive marketing with top KOLs, influencers, celebrities on board, and they have been keeping up with their promise. We're going to take a look at the chart before we actually head on over to their website, y'all. But let's just scroll down real quick, and as you can see, that soft cap was 50 BNB. They blew past that, and here's the tokenomics right here, y'all. Liquidity 22%, unlock was 29, burnt was 3%, and they do burns consistently, and pre-sale had 44% of the tokens. So let's hop on over now to the chart. Alrighty then, y'all, so take a look at this. As you can see right now, they're at $11.27. Remember, they started at, they started at around $5.20 because, of course, all that BNB that they raised, around 10 million market cap right now. And just look at this chart, man. This is like a unicorn, especially in the BSC space, and especially because it's a double whammy right now because of the way that Bitcoin's acting up, right? Bitcoin's starting to tank and fluctuate really badly. Let's take a look at this. This was on the 30th when they launched. As you can see, they had that uptrend. It went up for a little bit, went right back down, shot all the way back up. A day later, dropped back down again. Of course, people are going to take the little miniature sell off and stuff like that. And I mean, but look at the consistency, y'all. Like I said, this is something that you normally see in your dreams. And of course, not financial advice. Always do your own research, but man, to see something like this in the BSC space is so refreshing, man. There are so many rug pulls and scams and stuff out there, man. And as you can see right now, it's consolidating. It's dipped just a little bit, mainly because, like I said, Bitcoin and things like that. But man, this is a really healthy looking chart. They've even got a video for us. So let's take a look at this here, play to earn metaverse Petoverse video. Oh shit, let's turn it down a little bit. What the dog doing? That dude look creepy, don't he? Well, he got a cannon. Oh shit. Oh! That looks amazing. And here we are at the website, y'all. So as you can see, Petoverse, Pets Adventure MMO. You can click on the contract, buy now, or take you straight to the dashboard. We scroll on down. This is one of the main utilities, like I said before. It's that high fixed staking APY. And the reason why I said you don't really want to focus on that too much and you want to focus on the main utilities, because a lot of projects will just talk about the APY, draw people in, and then rug them. I'm not saying this is a rug project. I don't believe it is, but the high APY is nice, but it won't be sustainable forever. So Petoverse is the first metaverse project that provides a decentralized financial asset which rewards users with a sustainable fixed compound interest model through use of unique PAP protocol, Pedo Auto Staking Protocol, breaking boundaries by integrating a metaverse MMORPG concept with the hottest auto staking protocol in the industry. Fixed APY every 15 minutes, simple hold and earn system. Buy, hold, and earn that grows your financial portfolio exponentially. Like I said, this here, right, y'all, is like completely unrealistic. The chances of this happening is like slim to none, but it is a possibility. So, how much they're going to put on the website, of course. How much can you really earn at the end of the year with $100 worth of Pedo invested? You can earn up to $2,087,120 worth of Pedo at $2,087,120% APY. But like I said, that's not going to be long term. It is going to fluctuate as time goes on. And of course, just by holding Pedo, one of the top automatic compound interest, which is paid every 15 minutes. You can also earn their gaming Pedo Gem token, which will be released very soon. That's the trailer we just watched right there. They do have other trailers that look mighty nice and professional. We come on down, as you can see. They'll have the fight, run, and earn adventure play to earn game. They'll have a multiplayer zone, connect, and chill with co-op PvP and building your own guild, which would be nice to see. They'll have a plaza, house of fortune, Pedo Forge, and ads. You can even put up your own ads and start earning. That's going to be amazing to see right there. A lot of things coming on the roadmap. So Pedo and Pedo Gem, you got the market, and the market right here, as you can see, Pedo Gem is a governance token that can be earned in the game, and Pedo is what you actually invest in and of itself is the main currency, exchange, game boost, and trade NFTs. So I like this little diagram right here. We come on down, and we're not gonna go into this, but they do have, if you do have a VR headset right now, you can definitely go ahead and check this out. It actually shows you how it will look with your VR, they say glasses, which with your VR headset, you can actually go in and do like a full 360 and take a look at their plaza and like some of their menus and locations. So it actually looks pretty good. As you can see here, this is the NFT fragment. So you've got all the fragments and things like that you'll be able to actually get once you start being able to purchase the NFTs. And as you can see, you can put them on your character. This man is holding, or excuse me, this dog is holding an MP5. So it's going to be getting quite serious, as you can see in the Petoverse here. Buying taxes 16%, 18%. That's normally high, but it's understandable considering everything that they have coming. I mean, take a look at this, man. Like, they have analytics for analytics. Like, this is absolutely insane. They've got a full breakdown of everything: the Inferno Pit, where they burn, insurance fund, the game treasury, all. I mean, the list goes on and on, y'all. Like I said, it's looking very, very good. So come on down to the roadmap here. You got game development, web development, smart contract development, and these are the things. Well, game development is, of course, being worked on right now. So the audit from Rug Free Coins, like we talked about earlier, they already have it. They have a KYC by Rug Doc and by Pink Sale, and their docs too. We'll get into that in a few minutes here. Of course, this is, from roadmap phase 2. It's going to be, the game listing and stuff like that, alpha release and everything, May, June. So coming up very, very soon. You're not going to be waiting like an entire year for it. CoinMarketCap, we're already on CoinMarketCap already, and they already have their logo posted on PooCoin and, Trust Wallet and all that stuff. And as you can see, as they go down the pipeline, they're going into full 360 VR and going into that entire realm of the metaverse. They have all their influencers right here, and they even had, I can't scroll up too far, I won't be able to find it, but they had a message saying that apparently that they might be getting Jason Derulo on board to promote them, which is absolutely insane if they actually do end up doing that. And like I said, y'all, me, I'm not a big fan when it comes to, the fucking pictures, like the animated pictures, but the team is actually doxed. Like, the CEO is always in there, and Michael's always showing his face in every single AMA that he's done before launch, up until launch. He's always, talking in chat. He's always active. He's as active as the team, so these are real people. These aren't just fake profiles. And last but not least, as you can see, this is the collaborations they've done. Bully Maguire, Crypto Talks, Rug Free, Phoenix Holding, Venom Calls, Golem Gems. They have been doing a lot of stuff. Alrighty then, y'all, and that is it for this video. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think. Like I said, you know, you always have to do your own research, y'all. You never truly know, but this is looking like a very good project. And if they do things correctly at the right time and they execute, they don't wait too long, I can definitely see this having massive potential. As you can see right now, the chart speaks for itself, and I know that I'm stressing it, but man, oh man, in a market like this, man, and especially in the BSC space, it's so refreshing to see a project that has a healthy and decent looking chart. They've got a lot of potential. You know, they haven't even been out for a week yet, and they've already accomplished so much. So, you know, this is a really good looking project, and I can't wait to see what they do with it. But let me know what y'all thought, and I will catch y'all in the next video. The Finance Man is out of here.